How to fix Walmart seller application declined. So, Walmart usually sends an email explaining the reason for your rejection. The common reasons includes incomplete business documents, mismatched tax information, or low marketplace experience. You should ensure that your legal business name, address, and tax information exactly match what's on your government and tax documents. Even small typos can lead to your rejection. And then, Walmart also prefers established sellers. Strengthen your profile by setting up professional website, showing proof of your inventory, and having UPC codes for your products. And once you have corrected everything, you can now reapply using the same email. Highlight the improvements in your application, such as updated documents or better fulfillment readiness. And after all of that, and if you still face the issues, you can now contact Walmart seller support with your case ID. A support representative may give you feedback on what's still missing, and now you can now update the resume or the file that you are going to send. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.